know what they're doing, don't you?
Getting that soy, probably.
Eating.
Yeah, I wish I'd got out here just a little bit sooner.
Usually clout and make them leave.
I just want to see them take off in formation like that. Boy, that is crazy. What the hell was that?
That's what they do. If you had a gun, you could really make them go.
Bro, just let them do what they're doing. This is crazy to see them. That's what's crazy. And then watch them all land, and when they come up from that spot right there, it'll be... Here comes more over the top. Look at all that's coming over the top. I'm waiting for that bunch on the right to take off again. I can see them just as like little blips. Bro, there is so freaking many, bro. Quit fucking with them, dude. Look how many's coming in right now. Yeah, well, let them all get in there. Jesus Christ, there's 100,000 out there. Bro, it just looks like ants moving. It just looks like ants moving on the ground. That is crazy. That is so many. It looks like locust or something.